Okay, so we ran out of time in the other video. They only let me video 15 minutes at a clip. So let's do these last ones and then let's see if you can try some on your own. So I fall asleep. That's the verb dormir. Remember, I had to remember it was a boot verb. Then I had to remember that it was a UE stem changer. And then I knew what letter changed because I went to my ER, AR, IR ending and went one vowel before. Okay, so I conjugate dormir for I. Here I am, D-U-E-R-M-O. Now, remember, I put that say in my pocket. So I take it out. I think, okay, I want to have the reflexive pronoun that matches yo. Am I going to use me, te, say, nos, os, or say? Which one matches I? Flip it around, make my say turn into a me, and I put it in front. Me duermo. I fall asleep. He goes to bed is acostarse. So you have to know your verb. Then you have to remember, oh yeah, that's a UE stem changer. Remember that O's can only change to UE. I'm going to take that SE off for right now and put it in my pocket. I go to my end. There's my ending. And then I'm going to go one vowel before. And that's going to be the one that changes. So he goes to bed. AC. There's my UE stem change right there in the boot. ST and my ending, it's not an IR verb this time, it's AR. So he ends in A. Take the say back out of my pocket. Remember, it was in there. And I put it in front to match he. Se acuesta. He goes to bed. They have fun. To have fun is divertirse. I have to remember the verb, the infinitive, first of all, divertirse. And then I'm like, yeah, that's one of those boot verbs. It's an IE stem changer. So put the say in my pocket until later. I say to myself, okay, well, which letter changes? There's so many letters. Go to the ending, the AR, ER, IR ending, and go one vowel before, and that's the little guy, not yellow, that's the little guy that's going to change. So let's conjugate it for they. Now remember, it's an IR verb, so D-I-V, there's your boot, I-E-R-T. Okay, it's an IR verb, present tense. Remember, it has E's, then it does a little I, and then it goes back to the E. So divierten. I take the say out of my pocket, and I'm like, hey, say, put them in front. Which one's going to match they? That's right, it's say. Se divierten. They have fun. Whew, it's a lot. It's a lot, but you can do it. You totally can do it. You just have to be systematic. Go through the steps. All right, you try. Put me on pause. Number 1, what's the infinitive? Number 2, what's the stem change? Then conjugate it. Take off the say, put it in your pocket, conjugate the verb, use your boot. And then lastly, take that pronoun, take that say out of your pocket and make it match and put it in front. So put me on pause and I will give you the answers when you unpause me. Okay, I'm unpaused. He feels sad. Sentirse, whoops. Sentirse is my infinitive. It's an IE stem changer. I'm going to do this kind of quick because you can just check your answers. So, siente is my verb. And my reflexive pronoun that goes in front is se. Se siente triste. He feels sad. Yeah, you can put the L in front. That's fine because se is shared by L and ella and usted. So that helps to tell you who you're talking about. I put on shoes. Ponerse. It's not a stem changer, but it's a go-go in the yo-yo. So since I'm in the yo form, it's pongo. I take the say out of my pocket, change it to me, and put it in front. Zapatos. They go to bed. Acostarse. Take the say off. Let's just conjugate for they. That's an AR verb, and it's a UE stem changer. So acuestan. Take the say out of my pocket, make it match they. Bing. Se acuestan. Yep, you can put the ellos there because it also shares with ustedes. You wake up. Oh, I am desperate when I wake up. Despertarse, desperate. Take off the se. It's an IE stem changer, AR verb. So let's conjugate for you. Despiertas. Take the se out of my pocket. I'm going to match it up to you. Yep, I picked te. Put it in front. And she has fun. Divertirse. Put the se in my pocket for later. I'm just going to conjugate divertir. Oh, there it is. It's an IE stem changer and it's an IR verb. So this one's practice this one. Divierte. Divierte because it's she, ends in the vowel. My pronoun is going to be, reflexive pronoun in front is se. And I can put es since se also matches el and ella. Ella se divierte. All right, so let me know if you have any questions, if you want more practice, you want me to, re-explain it. These can be a little tricky, but if you just focus, concentrate, and follow the steps, I know that you'll get it. All right, hasta luego.